So I'll be showing you how to adjust keyboard sound volume on your Samsung phone. So if you want to adjust the volume of the keyboard sounds, this sound, then you can do that by going to settings. Under settings, go to sounds and vibration, tap on that, and then make sure first of all that your phone is not in either vibrate or mute. Make sure sound is on, and then now you can go to system sound, because the Samsung keyboard sound is in the among the system sounds. So you can see it's here. So make sure that is on first of all, and then you can use this slider to adjust the system sound volume. Now this will also adjust the volume of these other system sounds like charging sound, screen lock sound, the dialing pad sound, the touch interaction sound. It's going to adjust all those sounds, but it also adjusts the sound of your Samsung keyboard. So if it's too loud or too low, you can adjust that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.